Table captures of phrases. Number one, poster theoរូបភាព Number two, environment បរិស្ថាន Number three, carry out អនុវត្ត Number four, face ដំណាក់កាលឬជំហាន Number five, conduct ធ្វើឬប្រតិបត្តិ Number six, mostly ភាគច្រើន Number seven, to be involved in ចូលរួមឬជាប់ពាក់ព័ន្ធក្នុង Number eight, teammates មិត្តរួមក្រុម Number nine, advisory teacher លោកគ្រូឬអ្នកគ្រូជាប្រឹក្សា Number 10, compliment ការសរសើរ Conversations about a project Conversations about a project សន្ទនាអំពីគម្រោងមួយ What project did you work on? What project did you work on? តើអ្នកបានធ្វើការលើគម្រោងអ្វី I made an English poster about our environment. I made an English poster about our environment. ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើផ្ទាំងរូបភាពជាភាសាអង់គ្លេសអំពីបរិស្ថានរបស់យើង Was that an indoor or outdoor project? Was that an indoor or outdoor project? តើនោះជាគម្រោងក្នុងអគារឬទីវាល The project was carried out mostly outdoor. Only the last phase was conducted indoor. The project was carried out mostly outdoor. Only the last phase was conducted indoor. គម្រោងនេះត្រូវបានអនុវត្តភាគច្រើននៅខាងក្រៅតែដំណាក់កាលចុងក្រោយត្រូវបានធ្វើឡើងក្នុងអគារ Who was involved in the project? Who was involved in the project? តើអ្នកណាបានចូលរួមក្នុងគម្រោងនេះ My teammates and an advisory teacher. My teammates and an advisory teacher. មិត្តរួមក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំនិងលោកគ្រូប្រឹក្សាម្នាក់ What did you do? What did you do? តើអ្នកបានធ្វើអ្វី We had a field trip to the countryside where we studied insects and plants. We had a field trip to the countryside where we studied insects and plants. យើងបានធ្វើដំណើរទៅទីជនបទដែលជាកន្លែងយើងបានសិក្សាពីសត្វល្អិតនិងរុក្ខជាតិ Was it a successful project? Was it a successful project? តើវាជាគម្រោងជោគជ័យទេ Yes, we received compliments from our professor. Yes, we received compliments from our professor. បាទយើងបានទទួលការសរសើរពីសាស្ត្រាចារ្យរបស់យើង Who was your advisory teacher? Who was your advisory teacher? តើនរណាជាគ្រូប្រឹក្សារបស់អ្នក Our science teacher, Mr. John. We learned a lot from him. Our science teacher, Mr. John. We learned a lot from him. គ្រូវិទ្យាសាស្ត្ររបស់យើងគឺលោក John យើងបានរៀនសូត្រច្រើនពីគាត់ What did you learn after the project? What did you learn after the project? តើអ្នកបានរៀនអ្វីខ្លះបន្ទាប់ពីគម្រោង I learned how to write contents and decorate posters. I learned how to write contents and decorate posters. ខ្ញុំបានរៀនពីរបៀបសរសេរមាតិកានិងតុបតែងផ្ទាំងរូបភាព Did you like your partners? Did you like your partners? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តដៃគូរបស់អ្នកទេ Yes, most of them were friendly and responsible. I particularly like Michael, the leader of my team. Yes, most of them were friendly and responsible. I particularly like Michael, the leader of my team. បាទពួកគេភាគច្រើនមានភាពរួសរាយរាក់ទាក់និងទទួលខុសត្រូវជាពិសេសខ្ញុំចូលចិត្ត Michael ដែលជាអ្នកដឹកនាំក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំ What did you get up to the project? What did you get up to the project? តើអ្នកទទួលបានអ្វីខ្លះបន្ទាប់ពីគម្រោង After the project I know how to work in a team and cooperate well with my teammates After the project I know how to work in a team and cooperate well with my teammates បន្ទាប់ពីគម្រោងនេះខ្ញុំដឹងពីរបៀបធ្វើការជាក្រុមនិងសហការល្អជាមួយមិត្តរួមក្រុមរបស់ខ្ញុំ Study vocabulary soft phrases Number 1 poster ផ្ទាំងរូបភាព Number 2 environment បរិស្ថាន Number 3 carry out អនុវត្ត Number 4 face ដំណាក់កាលឬជំហាន Number 5 conduct ធ្វើឬប្រតិបត្តិ Number 6 mostly ភាគច្រើន Number 7 to be involved in ចូលរួមឬជាប់ពាក់ព័ន្ធក្នុង Number 8 teammates មិត្តរួមក្រុម Number 9 advisory teacher លោកគ្រូឬអ្នកគ្រូជាប្រឹក្សា Number 10 compliment ការសរសើរ Thank you